look at this number here, 8,426. We can write this number in something called expanded form. To do that, I want you to take your page. You should have page 10. If you need to pause your video and get page 10 out, and a pencil. Look at the bottom of page 10, number 7. We're going to write this number in expanded form. I want you to see what that looks like so you know what to do for the second problem. Writing a number in expanded form means that you write each number according to its value, each digit in your number according to its value. So the 8, that has a value of 8,000. Then you need to add that to your next number. The next digit is a 4. It has a value of 400. Plus, your next number is 2. It has a value of 20. And your last number, 6. It has a value of 6 because it's in the ones place. So that's how you write an expanded notation. So that's letter A, number 7. Now try letter B on your own for your homework. One more thing before I say goodbye. When you have a clock, remember, big, small hand, hour hand, big hand, minute hand, small hand, hour hand, big hand, minute hand. So for this clock, excuse me, for the clock, you are going to count by 5s to tell the minutes. So you're telling the minutes, counting by 5s. When I count by 5s to find my minutes, that doesn't always tell me exactly what time it is. What if my minute hand is right there, in between the 9 and the 8? Well, what time is it? What am I going to do? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to count by 5s, starting up here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now I can't go to 45 because my minute hand doesn't go to 45. Now I start counting by 1s, and I count the little marks. See how I have these little marks here? So that first one, here's 40. The next little mark is 41. This one is 42. So I start counting by 1s, and that's where my minute hand is. 40, 41, 42. So it is 6:42. Now my hour hand would be a little farther. Okay, so 6:42. Let's try another one. Okay, so now I have 9 is my hour because it's in between the 9 and the 10, and the smaller number is our hour. Count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now start counting by 1s. So here's 25, 26, 27. So it is 9:27. Okay, that's how you tell time, counting by 1s to tell it to the nearest minute, which you'll be doing on page 10 of your homework. Take a look at page 9, number 2, the story problems. Let's go over them together. Letter A, Jesse saw 1 bat each night for 7 nights. Write a multiplication fact to show how many bats he saw. So his groups, 1 bat, 7 times. There's 7. So 1 bat, 7 times. So that would be 1 times 7. You could add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Add 1 together 7 times, but that's so slow. It's so much faster to say that it was 1 bat 7 times. If you flip it and say 7 times for 1 bat, that's the same thing. You get the same answer. Because whenever you multiply, you can flip it and you get the same answer. Letter B says, for 3 nights in a row, Jillian has caught 0 fireflies. Write a multiplication fact that shows how many fireflies she has caught. So she went out 3 times. How many each time? 0. So it's 3 times 0 each time. So 3 times 0, and anything times 0 is 0. That's right. Look at your brain booster in the corner of page 9. 2 groups of 3 spiders equals how many spiders? Well, multiplication, that's putting groups of numbers together. So you have 2 groups of 3 numbers each. So that's 2 times 3. 2 times 3. When you multiply something by 2, that's the same as when you have doubles in addition, like 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. That's what happens when you multiply by something by 2. You double it, your doubles. So 2 times 3 is the double of 3. What's 3 plus 3? 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. All right, that is your lesson for today. Gave you a little start on your homework, so you can go ahead and work on that. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day.